Best Folding Portable Steam Sauna. Number 1. Ivy Best Folding Portable Steam Sauna. Pull the sauna tent out of the bag and it pops into place. No poles, no assembly, no complications. It takes less than a minute to open the tent, and the assembly of the whole device will not take more than 5 minutes. Such a portable and easy to use full-body steam sauna is definitely worth for every penny. From now on, you don't need to go to the gym to get a membership card for the whole sauna. With this portable sauna, you can enjoy the sauna at home. Portable steam sauna for home could cover your daily needs of personal health. It can revitalize your skin, anti-aging, improve insomnia. The heat that radiates from the sauna and soothes achy muscles, helps prevent fatigue, detoxes the system.
For current prices and discount, check links in the description box.
Number 2. Willowy Bee Folding Portable Steam Sauna. Assemble your portable steam sauna in under 1 minute and enjoy instant relaxation. Our highly sealed sauna tent includes sweat-absorbent and machine-washable foot pads, a comfortable chair, and a remote control. It can accommodate users up to 300 pounds and 70.9 inches in height. When finished, simply fold it up for easy storage and cleaning. Experience the many benefits of sauna in the comfort of your own home. Our indoor steam sauna can help revitalize skin, relieve pain, reduce stress, and assist in post-workout recovery. Add essential oils, herbs, or vinegar to enhance your sauna experience and achieve your wellness goals.
For current prices and discount, check links in the description box.
Number 3. Ivivta Folding Portable Steam Sauna. Foldable steel wire skeleton and PVC bracket add portability and stability for your convenience. The portable saunas is heated by a steam generator equipped with a digital display so that you can see the current temperature and time of the steam pot at a clear sight. Made of satin and polyester, the insulation and waterproof fabric can effectively prevent heat loss. Indoor foldable and portable sauna tent has timing, temperature regulation, anti-dry heating, anti-leakage, explosion-proof, water and electricity separation, automatic power protection, leakage protection. It is strongly recommended to replenish water immediately after using saunas.
For current prices and discount, check links in the description box.
Number 4. Sauna Folding Portable Steam Sauna. Sauna tents fabric are made of high-density polyethylene materials and waterproof canvas, which has stronger waterproof and anti-seepage capabilities. It ensures that sauna tent have extremely high wear resistance, tear resistance and flexibility. The Steam Sauna Black is equipped with a pot with a capacity of 4 liters. The high-power steam pot is 1,500 watts. The temperature adjustment is automatically adjusted from 1 to 9 steps. The maximum adjustment time is 95 minutes, which can easily adjust the time and temperature, and more importantly, it has anti-dry burning and automatic power-off protection.
For current prices and discount, check links in the description box.
Number 5. Costway Folding Portable Steam Sauna. The stainless steel frame and steam pot are rust-proof and durable, and ensure long-term safe use. The inner lining is made from waterproof fabric, which has better thermal insulation performance and can keep the heat in, and it dries fast and is easy to clean. This steam is safe to breath because you can stick your head out of the unit. The steam sauna tent is super portable with a carrying bag and can be folded up for storage in a closet, under bed, in the trunk, etc., at a breeze. It's perfect to be used in the living rooms, small apartments, or wherever you want to enjoy your personal spa. It can be installed or packed up quickly and easily without any tools. Improve blood circulation, accelerate metabolism, reduce body weight or other toxins accumulated in the body.
For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Like, comment, subscribe our YouTube channel.